Welcome to the latest installments of Dating Profiles, how to best highlight and showcase your personality, some do's and don'ts. And ladies, go ahead, feel free to jump into the comment section and give your do's and don'ts and where these people zigged when they could have zagged. Let's help. So, here's the first one. Okay, so this is Menzo. Menzo types that he is 46 years old. Let's see what he says in his bio. And y'all say we men all sound the same. 80% of y'all profiles say the same. Some y'all got them old pick up lying about your age. Most of y'all gonna hit the X. At least I'm being me. I'm 420 crazy. My sex drive is crazy, not thirsty for sex, and I enjoy life and all it has to offer. I got one life to live, damn it, and I'ma live it up. If you match me, I'ma send you a message. If you want to know me, holla at me. 100. P.S. Don't waste my time. Take me out on a date. Show me a great time. T.F. So he's 5'7" and he lives in Maywood, Illinois. Right? So, what does Menzo, who types that he is 46, look like? So here's Menzo, and like I said, he says that he is 46. And these are the pictures that he chose to put on display to display his personality. Now, at least he is smiling, but you see that nail that he has? I wonder if he also likes a little bit of the booger sugar. I'm not sure. He does say that he is 420 crazy, so, Okay, so this is Menzo. And go ahead and just think back to what he said as far as his personality goes and let us know if he has anything that you would say you could zig where you could have zagged. Let's help him out. And for a bonus, I got another profile for us. So this is the bonus. Kevin, who's 36, put this on Facebook Dating, and this is just what was on the front page. I don't have his full bio, but I think that this is enough. It says, I'm 36 years old, single father of 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. That's a lot of kids by 36. Looking to find someone to have fun with. And by fun, I wonder if he means like make more kids. I don't know. Anything you want to know, feel free to ask. Have you had a vasectomy? Look at his eyes. He just looks like he's trying to get someone pregnant through the picture. I say don't ask anything, ladies. I say you keep that just like that, Kevin. Perfect, ladies. Run when you see anybody that looks like Kevin that's looking at pictures like this. Run. But ladies, go ahead. Let me know what you think in the comment section. Like, comment, share.